All right, good evening, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you are coming across this video. Okay, don't forget we remains Brainy Bites tutorial. So the only surest way to JAMB UTME examination and admission. All right, today I bring a wonderful episode for you guys. So the topic of today is how to get JAMB updates in 2024. So yeah, that's what I brought for you people today. So before I continue in this video, so I want to encourage you guys to, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like thumb if you like the video, or if you like the content. You give us a like thumb. Then you give us any if you have any important question you need to ask us, or you need to ask the platform, you let us know on the comment section. All right, so we'll be right there to answer you. Okay, I'll be right there to answer you if you have any question. Okay, so having done that, I believe let's proceed. So today I'll be talking about how to get JAMB update in 2024. Of course, we all know that JAMB update is very important. It's very important. It's not it's not as if you don't have anybody updating you, it will look as if you are doing something. At some point you will miss out with some things. All right, at some point you will miss out with something because of lack of information. One time a lady met me in my office, and she was like, I want to process a post-UTME form, and along the line she didn't know that the UTME form she wanted to process has already closed, and I understand, long ago before she came. So she was like, oh god, she was pissed off because of that. So but that's to tell you that if you don't have somebody updating you, you will miss out with a whole lot of things, okay, concerning JAMB, as long as JAMB is concerned. So that's why I'm bringing this information for you. So if you have if you are looking for how to get JAMB updates, right, if you are looking for how to be getting updates concerning JAMB, your school, your admission, so that you don't make any mistake, you don't make any error. Like when you don't have somebody updating you, telling you the right steps to follow, telling you the things that you need to do at the right time, you will make mistake. Sometimes it will be like, that's why most persons that always have what is it called, high JAMB score, is because of a lack of information that made most of them have not entered school even up to date. Understand? Because of lack of information. So you need information. It's a vital thing that when it comes to JAMB. Understand? So it's a vital thing when it comes to JAMB. So you really need it. Alright, so that's why I bring this video to you guys. So what I will do now is that we'll have a WhatsApp platform. Although I will be updating all the information on my YouTube channel. So that is that. So it's advised you subscribe to this YouTube channel, to turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop any information, YouTube will notify you, you'll be the first to know. Right, so that you don't miss out with anything. So having done that, so what you will do, you will message me on WhatsApp. So I will drop my number on WhatsApp. Yeah, so you will message me on WhatsApp, then you tell me you are coming from YouTube, this blah blah blah, then that you want me to add you on our platform, on our JAMB 2024 UTME platform, where you'll be getting information from. All right, so I will add you. I won't hesitate to add you immediately. All right, because it's very important. So I'm here to serve you guys. I'm here to help you succeed. All right, that's my mission and that's my goal. Understand? So that's why we've been working tirelessly to make sure that everything is in place. All right, so don't forget, let me drop the number. You have 090 as my number, 6542 4058. I repeat again, 09065424058. So you check it out. Understand? You message me on WhatsApp. I'll be right there to answer you. Okay, when you message me on WhatsApp, I'll be right there to answer you. So you tell me that you are coming from YouTube, you want me to add you to our 2024 JAMB UTME platform, then I won't hesitate to ask to add you. Okay, so don't forget that I love you guys. Okay, so what you will do for me to help me grow, also to help me it will help this channel grow. So you hit the subscribe button, you like this video, you give us any comments if you want. Like if you don't know what to say, just say thank you Benny. All right, so if you don't know what to, just say thank you Benny. So you give us any comment on the comment section. All right, so I love you guys, and I'll still continue to, don't forget, subscribe. Right, so I love you guys, and I'll continue to be giving you guys updates concerning your school. All right, so until I see you guys in my next video again, keep winning.